Alright, you guys. No solutions to a system of equations are these. When you have no solutions, you have two lines that are parallel. Okay? You have two lines that are parallel. That means no solutions. Infinite solutions mean you have two lines that are right on top of each other. Thus, they always hit. By the way, infinite is written like this. It's a sideways 8. So if you have two lines that right on top of each other, that's infinite. Two lines that never cross are called parallel. Could I graph this? We're going to solve by graphing. Yeah, where do I start? What's M? What's B? What's my M? 2. My B is? So I'm going to begin at negative 4. And where am I going to move? Well, isn't that 2 over 1? So I go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Now, is this one ready to graph? No, but can we do this real quick? Minus the 2x over. Negative y equals negative 2x plus 5. What's my next step? Divide by negative 1. Y equals, what's negative 2 divided by negative 1? Positive 2. What's 5 divided by negative 1? Let's graph this one. What's my M? 2 or 2 over 1. And what's my B? Negative 5. So this one's going to begin at negative 5. And what's my movement? Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Will those ever cross?
No.
Are those parallel?
Yeah.
What do you say parallel is? Parallel is no solution. So the answer is simply no solution. There is no answer. They would never cross. Okay, number 2. We're going to solve it, but we're going to use substitution here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. Where am I going to plug this in the first equation? What is x equals this? So am I going to replace x or y with this?
X.
If x equals this, I'm going to come over here and replace x right there. So what do I put in that blank again? I'm going to put the y minus 5. Now let's solve this for y. 3y minus 15 minus 3y equals 2. Let's combine. Well, what happens there? What's 3y and negative 3y? They're gone. Can I solve for y anymore? So is there going to be a problem when everything drops out? Yeah. So won't this be a special system? Everything dropped out, correct? But which one is it? Well, is it true or false? Isn't this false? Which one do you think is false? Wouldn't no solution probably be the false one? Won't that be the false one? So won't this one be the true one? So since this is false, this means there's going to be no solution. Now, if you could have kept going and solved for y, it would have been one solution because you could have solved it. But since it all fell apart and had a problem, it was special. And we had to stop. Okay, last one. Can I cancel going straight down? No. But what could I multiply the second one by so that it cancels the x's or the y's? Can I multiply this by 2? And then when I get 4x plus 6y equals 20? And then can I rewrite the first one? Don't those both cancel? Doesn't that leave me 0? Doesn't this cancel? Uh-oh, it's a special system, but which one is it? Is that a true statement?
Yeah.
So since that's true, which one do you think it is? Isn't it the infinite? Is it easier writing that than the word infinite? So it's infinite solutions. So if your answer cancels everything out and it's true, it's infinite. If everything cancels out and it's false, it's none. If the graphs are on top of each other, it's infinite. If the graphs are parallel, it's no solutions.